The distance between the points 2, 2 and 6x is 5. What is one possible value of x? So let me remind you formula. When we have given 2 points, x1, y1 and x2 coordinates of point, second point will be x2 and y2. So the distance formula will be square root of, and we have in parentheses x2 minus x1 to second power plus y2 minus y1 to second power. We have given that the distance is 5, so we can substitute d by 5. Right, that d is equal 5. What else? In our example, this is our first point, so this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So let's substitute now d by 5, and we have square root of, and in parentheses x2 is 6 minus x1 is 2 to second power plus y2 is x, so we copy, minus y1 is 2 to second power. So what else we can do? Because we have square roots, so we will raise both sides to second power to reduce square root. So 5 to second power we will have, so will be 25, and square root will reduce with the second power, so now we will have 6 minus 2 is 4 to second power plus x minus 2 to second power. So now 25 we copy, 4 to second power is 16 plus x minus 2 to second power. So now I will move 16 to the left side, so we will have 25 minus 16, positive 16 we move to the left side, so it will be negative 16 is equal x minus 2 to second power. I will change the sides, so we have x minus 2 to second power is equal 25 minus 16 is 9. So we have that x minus 2 to second power is equal 9. How we can solve this equation? You can always raise to second power expression in the left side, but the easiest way, you have to ask question yourself. X minus 2, this expression raised to second power must give you 9. So let me write x minus 2 is equal what? Which number raised to second power give you 9? Of course 3 or positive 3 or negative 3, because 3 to second power give you 9 and negative 3 to second power give you 9. So we have two values. And now we have two equations to solve. X minus 2 is equal 3 or x minus 2 is equal negative 3. So now what will be? I will move negative 2 to the right side, so it will be 3 plus 2. So x is equal 5, or the second equation we need to solve will be x is equal negative 3, negative 2 to the right, so it will be positive 2. So x is equal negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. We got two solutions. X equals 5 and x equals negative 1.